What you have to do is you have to make like kind of a circle like this.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make a bubble. I'm gonna make like a big bubble of slime. So what you're gonna do once you have the circle, you're gonna take one hand, put it on this side, one hand, put it on this side. And then you're gonna take.
I think you have 3 hands.
You do not have 3
these
hands.
2 fingers and put them right here, and then you'll let this bottom part fall. Once it touches the ground or whatever surface you're using,
Move, Callie. I can't see.
you take your arms and do that.
Whoa!
Don't.
Callie, stop popping the bubbles.
I like to pop them.
All right, Dickie's gonna do one more. Callie, quit.
Can I do it?
Yeah, sure. Dang, he's like into this. He's serious now.
Do you want me to pour the bottle?
Callie, I want you to please stop.
No, I don't want you to pour it on.
It has to drop.
Yeah. Oh, that one's not going to be very good.
It's not? Go.
Go.
Ah, you're right. It wasn't very good. There's a little bubble.
Oh, I made a little hole in it.
Smack.
My turn.
All right, Callie Boo's turn. Callie, if Ethan's watching this, show him your fingernails. No, show him the. Put them together. Look, Ethy, it makes a heart. Callie, hold them right so I can see them.
And if you're wondering if they are swans, they're flamingos.
Oh.
All right, Callie, watch out so Dickie can do it again and then you can do yours.
Oh, this one's going to be good.
I hope so.
I'm
Holy, that was a huge one. That was awesome. I wish it would have stuck. All right, Callie, your turn, boo-boo.
It's hard to get them to stick with too big.
Come on, Callie.
That's going to hurt.
Oh. Well, mine never makes a bubble. Oh.
Don't say never. I've seen you make bubbles.
Not as big as mine.
See if y'all can do one at the same time.
Hang on, I have to get my...
Yeah. You're going to have to let this thing.
Go, Kelly.
No.
You're ripping yours, Calbo.
I know. I'm actually...
I didn't mean you have to do it like at the same exact time, guys.
Oh.
Oh, this one's going to... I don't know. Move! Move your hand!
Move, Kelly. Ah, that one ripped. Dickie, what color slime did you make?
I made gray.
Which you've called
Cement slime.
cement
I
slime.
call this lavender slime because it's like lavender color.
It's purple. It's purple. Oh, you just got slimed. What are you doing, Tard? Jesus. All right, say hi to Ethan in case he's watching, and Ashton.
Har.
Hello, Ethan. Hello, Ashton. Oh, Ashton, can you play the Switch, please?
All right, guys.
You're not playing very much.
Maybe he got grounded again.
Oh no.
There you go, Kelly. Do it. Do it. Hurry. Oh, my.
Oh, you suck. Oh, this. Hang on. I think this one's going to be really good.
Move, Callie. Nobody wants to see your big old
I'm
butt.
going to try to do it on the ground.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't. Don't do it on the ground.
Okay.
What if you get pieces of stuff on it? Move your big butt. Oh, and here's all of Callie's glue slime junk. Is that a big enough bottle of glue or what? All right, Dick, do it to it, son. Best one ever! God, that was huge.
You didn't let me see it.
Let's watch Callie cry, everybody.
Drop it. Bite your finger off, everybody.
Oh, my hand now.
Little girl, you are not tough enough. All right, that was the best one. Grand finale right there.
Bye, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. Because I'm fit for a reason.
Yeah, call her Bratty in the comment section, please.
Hey, you're bratty too, piece.
2-piece.
Two-piece?
2-piece chicken nugget.
Two-piece tablet.